Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin K injections. First, let's prepare. Always begin by gathering all your supplies, including the vitamin K vial, a sterile syringe, and alcohol wipes. Next, ensure your hands are thoroughly clean by washing them with soap and water. Before drawing the medication, carefully check the vitamin K vial for any discoloration or particles and confirm it has not expired. Finally, choose a suitable injection site, often the vastus lateralis muscle for infants. Now, let's move on to administering the injection. First, clean the injection site thoroughly with an alcohol wipe, using a circular motion from the center outwards. Allow the area to air dry completely. Next, carefully draw the prescribed dose of vitamin K into the syringe, making sure to remove any air bubbles by gently tapping and pushing the plunger. Then, swiftly insert the needle at a 90-degree angle into the muscle and slowly push the plunger to inject the medication. After the injection, proper post-care is essential. Smoothly withdraw the needle and apply gentle pressure to the injection site using a clean gauze pad. Do not rub the area. Immediately dispose of the used syringe and needle in a designated sharps container to prevent accidental needle sticks. Always adhere strictly to your healthcare provider's specific dosage instructions. For newborns, a common dose is between 0.5 and 1 milligram, administered intramuscularly, usually within 6 hours of birth. Finally, let's discuss some important considerations for vitamin K injections. Always monitor for any signs of an allergic reaction, such as a rash, flushing, or difficulty breathing, and seek immediate medical attention if these occur. Report any unusual bleeding, excessive bruising, or persistent pain at the injection site to your doctor promptly. Remember to store vitamin K injections properly, usually at room temperature and protected from light. Most importantly, never reuse needles or syringes to ensure safety and prevent infections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.